Hey everybody, how you all doing? Peter Carvell here, and welcome to the third and final video in my latest mini video series about how to use your own body weight to transform your body right there at home. Now today I've got two really cool stuff. Number one, I'm going to prove to you that what I've been teaching you over the last couple of videos actually works by showing you a powerful and effective home body weight workout to help you get ripped right there at home. And then secondly, I want to provide you with a 100% free invitation to come and join my latest 21-day home body weight challenge that you'll be able to get started with today. No credit cards, no BS. But let's get going with this workout. Now guys, this is a super simple workout. We spoke about workout structures that's good for weight loss. Tabata style interval training, high-intensity interval training, high-intensity weight training, okay? If you can't remember any of that, go and check out video 2. I'll put links to video 1 and video 2 in the description box below. And so, for today's video, we are going to use a Tabata style. 20 seconds on, 10 seconds off. We are going to use just 4 exercises. And guys, there's nothing I enjoy more than proving to people that what I teach works. And today you're going to find out how effective just 4 of those exercises that I spoke about in video 1 can be if you combine it with a powerful workout structure. So let me quickly show you one complete round. Just press play, follow along. So there you go, guys. Number one, don't ever confuse simple with easy. This workout is a very simple workout, but it's extremely powerful and it's going to help you get great results right there at home if your goal is weight loss. But it's just one workout. And that is why I've decided to create a brand new 100% free 21-day home body weight challenge where I actually show you how to use some of my most powerful and effective body weight workouts right here on YouTube day after day over a 21-day period to get the best possible results. And you can come and join right now 100% free over at 6weeksixpack.com/BW challenge. All you do is sign up and follow along for 21 days. And there you go, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this latest mini video series on how to use your own body weight to transform your body right there at home. As always, if you have any questions, put it in the comments box below. Please like this video and subscribe if you're not a member yet. Until the next one, have fun out there and keep it simple. Bye-bye.